Hey everyone, want to change the resolution of an image in GIMP? In this video, I'll show you how to adjust image resolution step by step. Yeah, whether you're preparing a photo for printing or improving your project settings, this guide will help you make the changes correctly. First, open GIMP on your computer and load the image you want to edit. Click File, then Open, and select your image. Once the image appears on the canvas, you're ready to begin. Next, click the Image menu at the top of the screen and choose Scale Image. This window lets you adjust both the image size and its resolution. In the Scale Image window, locate the X resolution and Y resolution fields. These values control the image resolution, which is usually measured in pixels per inch or pixels per centimeter. Enter the new resolution you want to use. If you're preparing an image for printing, a higher resolution is generally recommended. Make sure the X and Y values remain the same unless you have a specific reason to change them separately. After updating the resolution, review the image dimensions to make sure they still meet your needs. Changing the resolution may affect the printed size of the image, even if the pixel dimensions remain the same. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click the Scale button to apply the changes. GIMP will update the image using your selected resolution. Finally, click File, then Export As, and save your image in your preferred format, such as PNG, JPEG, or TIFF, so you'll have an image with the updated resolution that's ready for printing or sharing. And that's how you change image resolution in GIMP. It's a simple process that helps you prepare images for different projects and output requirements. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.